This is one of the most delicious breakfasts I've had in a very long time. We're making chai spiced oats. Let's do it. The first step for making these delicious oats, we want a saucepan. Start with your pan on a very low heat, and we're going to need some allspice, some cloves, and some cardamom pods. Chuck your spices into the pan, and we want to gently toast these off for about 20 to 30 seconds. You'll start to get a beautiful fragrance from the spices, and then you want to go in with about 1/3 of a teaspoon of some cinnamon and about 1/3 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Then pour in some water, and you want to season with a little pinch of sea salt and let the spices steep in the water for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we want some good quality porridge oats. Chuck in your porridge oats, pour some water in with your oats, and give everything a really good stir through. You want to use water instead of milk. Good quality porridge oats take a little bit of time to cook out and the milk would scald. So keep stirring. You'll find your oats start to get nice and soft and lovely and creamy. Keep stirring. Add any more water if you need to get the consistency that you're looking for. And very quickly, if you could just give the video a like by hitting the thumbs up button below. Then just spend a minute to pick out all of the spices from the porridge. And next we need some beautiful honey. Go in with a tablespoon or 2 of your honey and then give that another really good stir through. You want your porridge a little bit thicker than when you eat it because we are going to add some full fat milk. Pour in a dash of your milk. This will loosen up the porridge beautifully and get it to the consistency that you want, leaving it lovely and creamy. Stir through, reduce it down if you need to get that perfect porridge consistency, and then you want to take your beautiful chai spiced oats, pour them out into a bowl, and there you have a beautiful hearty warming breakfast. So get in the kitchen, get cooking and enjoy.